Good morning, students. So today, this is the last part of our chapter 5. Does it look the same? This is the last part. But before starting this last part, I would like to say something that you can start writing these things in your copy. Make a single copy, and whatever we have done, whatever I, Anupama ma'am, and Kajol ma'am have done, you can write all the things in one copy. And mental math and reasoning you can write down in your home copy, not in your classwork copy. Okay, so you can start writing. So today, this is the last part of the chapter 5. Does it look the same? Our topic is turning shapes. Turning shapes, 1/4 and half turn. Turning shapes, 1/4 and half turn. Now what is the meaning of 1/4 turn? 1/4 turn means 90-degree turn, and half turn means 180-degree turn. And turning shapes means rotating the shapes. So first of all, I've started with some English alphabets. As you can see, this one is A. So first one is 1/4 turn, that is 90-degree turn. A, after rotating 90-degree, the figure looks like this. And obviously we are rotating clockwise. If nothing is mentioned, rotate it clockwise. So A, after 90-degree turn, that is 1/4 turn, it looks like this figure. B looks like this after 1/4 turn or 90-degree turn. C, like this. D, these all are 1/4 turn or 90-degree turn. Then E, this one is F. Then after F, I have done X. Okay, this one is X. X look like sticks after a 90-degree turn. Y looks like this after 90-degree turn. And of course the last one, Z. Z looks like N. Z looks like N after 90-degree turn. So the other alphabets you can do yourself. So basically what is 1/4 turn or 90-degree turn? So you have to turn or you have to rotate the shapes 90-degree. And after 90-degree turn, as you can see, all the alphabets look like this. Okay, so this is 1/4 turn. This is 1/4 turn. After this we have half turn. Now what is half turn? Half turn means 180-degree turn. Now 180-degree, this we will do in two parts, 90 and 90. So 90 and 90 becomes 180. So first again I have taken the alphabet A. A, after 90-degree, it looks like this. And this one again after 90-degree, it looks like this. So what happened? 90 plus 90, it becomes 180. So A, after 180-degree turn, it looks like this. Similarly B, after 90-degree, it looks like this, and again after 90-degree, it looks like this. So directly B, after 180-degree, it looks like this. Similarly C, first one is 90-degree, again this one is 90-degree. So this is 180-degree turn. D, this one is 90-degree turn. Again this one is 90-degree turn. So 90 plus 90, 180-degree. E, this is 90-degree turn. Again this one is 90. So this one is 180-degree turn. These are half turns. H, you can see 90-degree turn is this. And again 90-degree turn. So this is 180-degree turn. Again it looks like same. So you can see in the case of H, this figure, and after 180-degree turn, it looks like same. Okay, so these figures, what I have done, this one is half turn. So you are doing in two parts, first 90, then 90. Okay, so our next part is, I hope it is clear to all of you. It's very easy. Okay, so our next topic is English alphabet which looks same after half turn. Okay, English alphabet which looks same after half turn. Half turn means 90 degree. So first alphabet is H. It's 90 degree and again 90 degrees, so 180 degree turn. It looks same. I. This is 90 degree turn, again 90 degree turn, so this is 180 degree, same. N. After 90 degree it looks like Z, again 90 degree, that is 180 degree. N, same. O. O and 0, they are same. If you give 90 degree it looks same, and again 90 degree it looks same, so this is 180 degree. So H, I, N, O, and also few more alphabets are there. S. S after 90 degree looks like this, and again after 90 degree same figure, S. X. 90 degree this one, and again 90 degree this one, same. And Z. Z after 90 degree it looks like N, and again if you give 90 degree turn, that is 180 degree, it becomes Z. So there are 7 English alphabets which look same after half turn, that means 180 degree turn. Now the next topic is digits. There are some digits which look same after half turn, that is 180 degree. So what are the digits? So first digit is, as you can see, 0. The first digit is 0. So 90 degree, again 90 degree, same. Next one is 1. 90 degree, it looks like this straight line, and again if you give 90 degree, 1. So this 90 plus 90, 180. And last one is 8. 90 degree turn, it becomes this, and again 90 degree turn, it becomes 8. So only these 3 digits, 0, 1, 8, they looks like same after 180 degree turn. Okay, clear? Now the next topic is 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers which look same on half turn, that is 180 degree. 2-digit numbers which look same on half turn, that is 180 degree turn. So there are 2 such numbers. The first number is 11. 11, if you give 90 degree turn, it looks like this, and again if you give 90 degree turn, it looks again same 11. So here 90 plus 90, 180 degree turn. And second number is 88. 88, if you give 90 degree turn, it looks like this, and again 90 degree turn, it looks like same 88. So 90 plus 90, 180 degree turn. So only 2 digits number, only 2 numbers are there, 11 and 88, which looks same. Okay. Now our next topic is 3-digit numbers which look same on half turn. 3-digit numbers which look same on half turn. Half turn means 180 degree. So first number, I have done only one number, and rest number I have just written. Okay. So first one is 101. After 90 degree, if you turn this number through 90 degree, it looks like 101, and again 90 degree, that means 180 degree, it looks like 101, same. So this one after 180 degree turn directly looks this, same. Now the other numbers only I have written, I have not shown. Okay. 111, this is the 3-digit number. 808, 888, 818 and 181. All these numbers, okay, if you turn through 180 degree or half turn, they look same. 111, 808, 888, 818 and 181. These are the 3 digits number. Now next one is 4-digit number. Next one is 4-digit number which looks same. 4-digit number which looks same on half turn. Now this one is 4-digit number. So first one what I have done is 8118. This number, if you turn through 90 degree, it will look like this, and again 90 degree, that means 90 plus 90, 180 degree, it will look 8118, same. Now the other numbers I have already written. This is 1001, this is 1111, 8008, 8888 and 1881. So these numbers, they look same if you turn through 180 degree. I have shown only one, 8118. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Now the next topic is some of the English words which look same on half turn 180 degree. English words which look same on half turn. First one is MOW. If you rotate through 90 degree, it looks like this one. And again, if you rotate 90 degree, it looks like MOW, same. This W becomes M, and then this M becomes W if you rotate through 180 degree. Second one, I have done noon, 90 degree rotation, it looks like this. And again 90 degree rotation, that means 180 degree, it looks same, noon. Okay. And the other two words that I have only written, I have not shown. First one is swims. This is the third one. Third one is swims, and the last one is sis. Okay, so there are 4 English words: MOW, noon, swims, and sis. Okay. And here some of the figures I have drawn. This is actually given in your NCERT book. Okay, so figures are given. You have to draw the shapes on 1/4 turn, that is 90 degree turn, and half turn, that is 180 degree turn. Now basically we will do 1/4 turn and half turn. Okay, so first one is given triangle. Here after 1/4 turn, 90 degree turn, it looks like this, and after 180 degree turn, it looks like this. Square, this one is square. Square after half turn, same square, and after 180 degree also same. This one is rectangle. Rectangle after 90 degree turn, it looks like this, and after 180 degree turn, same rectangle. And last one, this figure, it has 6 sides. This figure name is hexagon. You have already done the line of symmetry. There are 6 lines of symmetry. Hexagon, this one after 90 degree turn looks like this, and again after 90 degree turn, that is 180 degree turn, it looks like this. Okay, so I hope all these figures are clear to all of you. How to rotate? So basically we will do 2 types of rotation: 1/4 turn, that is 90 degree, and another one is half turn, 180 degree. All the English alphabets, the digits, some of the figures, some 2 digits number, 3 digits number, and also English words. Okay, so with this we complete chapter number 5, that is, does it look the same? And along with this video, I'm going to upload a chapter test of does it look the same. So please download the PDF and solve it. And also I would like to tell you something. The solutions of the worksheet that I have given, or Anupama ma'am or Kajal ma'am have given, that solutions the solutions of the worksheet, a separate video we will make for the solutions. Now those who have done the solutions, it's okay, you can check the answers, and those who have not done, they can do it. So after this, the next video that I will upload, that will be on the solutions of worksheet 1. Okay, that is will be on the solutions of worksheet 1. So today up to this, thank you.